All right, let's start this out. So this will be my third video of an updated app. I picked To-Do app, so I'll show you right here. Let's go in here, kind of. So this is a monologue of it. Show you kind of what
And you also learned
it.
why you need.
Let me see if I can find a video of it beforehand.
So this articulate images
One,
and want to change the
what it looked like before.
type of that dentist. So in that
There we go. So this is kind of what it looked like before Flutter internal was as a start. I totally remodeled it. I just wanted to spend time kind of going over all the different dark files and understanding them in a more depth level rather than from video to video and just typing in the code and then watching the videos and lectures and kind of understanding what it was, kind of implementing more of my unique touch to it and kind of making it fun. So I wanted to kind of just make it fun, experience kind of, and just put my own little thing on it. Maximilian designed this cool little app, and I wanted to take it to another level that I thought was for my touch. So I'll show you kind of what basically I did, what kind of implementations I created, and what it ultimately looks like, and the representation of it. And the widgets. There's a lot of different features I came across. So as a code, these are all the items that I updated and changed. I'll just go over a few because I don't want the video to go on for too long. I know I've been recording for a while, so here's the application. I kind of just made it more pop and kind of different, and also a number sequence. I added a shuffle feature, so you shuffle them. Kind of fun, interesting, a little different. So nothing too crazy. And yeah, that's from that. Sorry, from that to that. Different. So, but still same concept, same application, same everything, just adjusted a lot of the keys. So key widget with I added and key changes, added a to-do keys map, which was introduced to sort keys. So go to keys. And in order to do the to-do, I added a loop called ordered to-dos. Each checkable to-do item is given a key from to-do keys. The key is also used to access global keys. I also added a new method named update to-do state, which is defined to update the state-specific to-do item. This method uses to-do text as a key to the global key. Right here, global key. And I updated the to-do state method. The state of the targeted to-do item is updated using the update state method defined with checkable to-do state. So these are all kind of key implementations to do. I also renamed the keys class and to-do list, provided more descriptive name to the widget, and displays a list of to-dos. Inside the to-do list app, class build method. So yeah, created a material app widget, which is included in the entire app for consistency, theming, and navigation. Let's go to to-do list. Go from there. So it's basically just trying to implement just key added demo buttons widget. So introduce box added a style. So there we go. Elevated buttons, replace text button with elevated buttons for more pronounced and interactive button appearance. The buttons have distinctive colors and their text are also adjustable. See, yeah, it's a little bit different. More adjustment, more play, and I also added a run feature here. So you can run as you go and it connects you to the main. So I like that. This is a feature that I've learned just through YouTube, but it's nice because you could be in the middle of your code and you could run it. So you don't have to be in the main file. It brings you back to it and you could just run it from this file, which is nice. It's a key feature. Also add different responses depending on the button pressed. Different responses are displayed, creating a dynamic and engaging interaction. Styling and colors, use colors and Topography to make the element stand out and convey a sense of excitement, basically, a bedazzle feature, as I call it. App bar title, change the app bar title to Flutter expiration, change and enhance icon colors and indicators, padding and spacing, decoration and styling, text styling, response design. These changes are all just more visual cues, interactive, and uniqueness to the checkable item widget. And so, yep. So these are all just kind of enhancements. And then the main function, I added a lot too. So I did letter spacing, which added letter spacing to the title to give it more of a subtle style effect. Improved text alignment, added padding to the description text to improve alignment and readability. Line height, increase the line height of the descriptive text to improve readability. Background for numbers sequences. So add a light background, increase the spacing between sections, so provided more balance, pretty much the layout. Yeah, and sequence shuffling, added that. That's a feature you saw right here when I shuffled it. That's another feature I added in the main file. Shuffle logic, use a helper function, shuffle list to shuffle the numbers within the sequence. It just made an interactive experience with the randomization in this main function. That's just a few of the main features. You wanted me to dive into it and kind of spend some time, and that's what I kind of want to show you, that I can change the app and I can put my touch and also invest some time in learning this and kind of implementing the changes. Thank you, Dr. Grissom. Appreciate it.